Now that's which period?
Maths period.
It's Maths period.
No, other misses come.
Yes, Kushal. I hope I am audible, students, to everyone.
Yes,
Miss,
miss,
yeah.
you are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. If I'm audible, I want everyone to be there on my screen so I'll see that even y'all are visible to me. Very good. Yes. I could see most of the students are there. So, yes, students, good morning, everyone. Settle down. Pari, Shreya, I hope you all have settled down. Mm. Yes. Yes. So, good morning, student. My name is Aishwarya Bharat Sawan. I am a B.Ed student, Bachelor's of Education students, and today I'm going to give you a lesson on maths. This is my exam, so I hope everyone will cooperate with me. If there's anything, just raise your hand and make me like bring in my notice. Yes, anyone has any doubt?
No, miss.
No? Very good, very good. So shall I start,
No,
students?
miss.
Everyone is there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay, fine. Sure. Let's start then. Students, before we move on to the actual maths topic, I want to tell you that I have one friend and this is how he looks. I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
No,
No,
Miss.
No,
miss.
miss.
It
No,
will get
miss.
loaded.
No,
No
miss.
worries, no
Yes, Miss,
worries.
we can see.
Now, miss, we can see. Yes,
Yes.
miss, we can.
It will get loaded, students. Don't worry.
You can say, ma'am.
Yes. Can you see how my friend looks?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
Yes.
Very good. Now, this
Yes,
friend
miss.
is really good at maths, but there is one thing which he lacks, and that is division. Okay, he lacks at division, and that's the reason I and one of my friend Anushri decided to make his division more better. Division more better, and that's the reason we have one poem for you. I will play that poem. Everyone, just pay attention. Just let me know the screen is visible.
Yes, miss.
Yes, what
yes,
is
Miss.
there, Misbah, on my screen?
Yes, miss.
Miss, there is a Yes, book miss. and some words and
Miss,
Words.
some numbers are written on that.
Excuse me,
Exactly.
miss.
Some numbers are written.
Numbers nine
numbers.
hundred one 5 3 2.
Correct. Exactly. Let's go ahead and listen the poem. So then I will ask you some questions regarding the poem as well. Okay. Yes. Here we are.
It's a division time. I use my math mind. Cut numbers down to size. It's division time. It's division time. I do it all the time. Cut numbers down to size. It's division.
Students, was it audible properly?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Miss, it is audible.
Time, division power, it's on my side. Cutting out
Miss, because
numbers
of rain.
day and night. Got lots to do, so I better save time. Divisibility rules, my things go fine. It's division time. I use my math mind. Cutting numbers down to size. It's division time.
Yes, students. So she is my friend. Anushri, and as you all know that we were trying to make our friend understand about.
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes, Bida.
Miss, because of rain, that network issue is happening.
Okay, no problem, no problem. But am I audible clearly? Don't worry, I'll play
Yes,
the poem
Miss.
once
Yes,
again.
miss.
Very good, very good. I'll play the poem once again. No, not to worry about it. If you want to watch it once again after the class as well, I'll provide you
Yes,
with the
Miss.
YouTube link.
Yes.
Okay?
Miss,
Yes.
can you give
So
the
what?
link only?
Definitely. Very
The
yes,
chat
Kushal. I
box.
can understand there are some problem. I'll give you. Okay. So what happened after this is that we started with these numbers, but before that, I want to ask you one question, which is that rule she was asking in the poem, which rule she was about to uh, make my friend understand. Can anyone say? You want me to play the video again?
Yes,
Yes,
because
Miss.
I could not understand what you're saying.
Yes, miss.
Okay,
The words were
I'll play it.
not
Yeah, I
clear.
also
Words
don't
were
I'll
breaking
play
understand.
it once again.
Miss, we are
My
playing
voice is
all the
breaking.
captions, so if we miss something, we can read the captions and understand.
Yes, I'll do that. I'll do that. Hmm.
Division power, it's on my side. Cutting out numbers, day and night. Got lots to do, so I better save time. Divisibility rules, my things go fine. It's division time. I use my mind, cutting numbers down to size. It's division time.
Now you all can say which rule we were talking about.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Ananya, tell
Yes,
me.
miss.
Miss Ansha.
Yes, Aisha.
It's division time.
Division time. Division time was the name of the poem, but which rule Anushri was talking about, my friend was talking about. Yes, Shreya, I could see that you have raised your hand.
Miss, divisibility rule.
Divisibility rule. Very good, very good. And that's what we are going to study today. I hope you all know we have a topic named as divisibility rule. The chapter number 8, divisibility in our textbook. Okay, we will be playing the rest of the poem, but before that, let's make him understand about the divisibility rule. Are we up, students? Are we excited?
Yes.
Kushal,
Yes, Miss.
Shubhakshi, Ananya, very good, very good. I could see you all are smiling, the glow on your face. Chalo, let's understand the divisibility rule for three numbers for today. The three numbers are 2, 3, and 5. Which are the numbers?
2, 3, and 5.
Ayush? 2, 3,
Two,
and 5.
two,
Very good.
3, and
Let's
5.
understand for number 2. So as I go
Miss, do
for
we have
number
to remove the textbook?
no, don't. Kushal, just concentrate on
Notebook?
this entire presentation, and then I'll be providing you with a worksheet where you all can practice and understand that whether you have understood this particular concept or no. Okay? So no need, just concentrate. As you understand, you will be able to solve it as well. Okay? Kushal, shall I go ahead?
Yes, Miss.
Very good, very good. So, there's one more thing. Before we move on to these numbers, 2, 3, and 5 students, what exactly do we studied about division in our standards, in our lower grades? Yes, Gaurav? When can you
Yes,
say
miss.
that 2 is divided by 18?
What, miss?
When can you say that 2 can be divided by 18? 3 can be divided by 18.
3 can be divided by
Hmm.
18. No,
What
miss.
is the value when I divide 3 with 18?
3 with 18. 5.
Miss, 3, 6,
Correct. Yes, who
6.
was answering?
6.
6 is the answer. Very good, Gaurav. 6 is the answer. And what is the remainder, Gaurav, here? Are you left with any
Miss,
remainder?
remainder 3.
3 is the remainder. Is it? Misbah is answering something. Misbah, what is the remainder, bacha here?
Miss 18. Miss, what you ask the question?
See, I have divided 18 with 3. On the screen, you could see 2. I have divided 18 with 3. So, answer as said by Gaurav is 6. Now, after dividing by 6, what is left in my hand? What is the remainder? Ranveer, what is the remainder? Zero. Very good. So when you divide something, it got divided. So the value what stays with me is 0. If I divide 18 with 4, if I divide 18 with 4, what will be the answer? Yuvakshi, sit properly. Yes. Anyone could answer? Yakshit?
Miss, can I answer, Miss Ba?
Yes, yes, yes. Miss, tell me.
Miss, the answer will be
18 divided by 4. Yes, Misbah, tell me.
Miss, can I show?
yes.
Wait. Let Misbah answer. Let Misbah answer and then you tell me the
Miss,
remainder.
we take 4 4s are 16. So the
Correct.
answer will be
The answer will be, the quotient will be 4 and the remainder will be 2. So here what we are doing is divisibility rule will give you the numbers, the factors which will have remainder 0, because when you go to greater number students, it will be difficult for you to understand that which number will get divided by 12015, which number will get divided by 2028. These are bigger numbers, right? So which number to divide with this so that we get remainder 0. There are a lot of numbers 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. Today we are going to understand only 3. Which were the 3? Brunmai, which were the 3 I have talked about earlier? Which were the 3 numbers? Which were the 3 numbers which I have talked about earlier that we are going to discuss these 3 divisibility rule today? Brunmai, you were paying attention? Yes. Tell me.
Miss 2, 3, and 5.
Very good. Miss Ba has helped Brunmai. 2, 3, and 5. Okay. Let's move to the number 2. See, any greater number like 900, the numbers which you could see on the screen 12015, 3456, 2098, 8091. For 2, you have to check their unit place, the last digit. Everyone can see this, Kushal? My screen is there in the sky. Okay, very good. I hope you are paying attention. So, the number at the last place, the unit place, if it's an even number or a 0, we can say that it is divisible by 2. Rashi, can you tell me what are the even numbers? What are the even numbers? Rashi, what are the even numbers? I hope I am pronouncing her right, because she is looking at me but she's not answering. Rashi? Rashi is there, right? Students on your screen as well?
Yes, miss.
Miss C.
Wait. Let everyone answer. I could see that she watching at us, but then she's not answering. No worries, no worries. We'll make Rashi sing also that particular poem. Let's move to Vihan. Vihan, you are there? Vihan? Yes, Vihan. Tell me, what are the even numbers?
2, 4,
Correct.
10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19.
20.
Yes, the little bit voice was breaking. Chaitanya? Yes, Vihan, I got you, beta. Chaitanya, will you repeat what Vihan said? What are the numbers, even numbers?
Even numbers 2,
2,
2, 4,
correct,
6,
correct. Very good.
10,
That's it. Yes, Chaitanya, correct. 2, 4, 6, 8. If it comes at the last place, at the unit place, then we can say it is divisible by 2. So you could see Who would explain me the first example? Pari, would you explain the first example here? Please explain the first example for me. How it is divisible by 2? Okay, I'll explain one. Ananya, you wish to explain? Yes, Ananya, go ahead.
Miss, the number is divisible by 2 because it's an even number, and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 with in the end of any number, these numbers come that can be divisible by 2 because they are even number.
Exactly,
And
very
last
good,
number is
Ananya.
8.
Correct. So in the first example, the last number is 8, the last number is 6, or the last number is 0, then we can say it is divisible by 2. Okay. Yashita, you are there with me? Yeah, please read this line so everyone will understand what is the rule.
If the digit in the ones place value is even or 0, the dividend can be divided by 2.
Very good, very good. Mrunmai, pay attention. Next number is number after 2. The number is Mrunmai. No, Mrunmai is not your. Kavach, you are there with me?
Yes, miss.
Yes, Kavach. Tell me, which is the next number after 2 we are going to study?
4.
Number is after 2 it is
4.
4. Is it? Rehan, is it 4?
Yes, miss.
After 2 we are going to study 4.
Miss, this is 3.
It is 3, exactly. So let's study with number 3. Everyone, what I have done is, if I want to check whether it is divisible by 3, I have to add all the numbers. So can you see that the first example I have added 5, the number is 561. So I have added 5 plus 6 plus 1. And if the number gives me a multiple of 3 table, now 12 comes in the table of 3, then I can say it is divisible by 3. In the next number as well, 7 plus 7 plus 5. If I add these value and if I get a number which is divisible by 3, I will say that it is, if a number which I get adding, that is 18, is divisible by 3, then I would say even 775 is divisible by 3. Are you getting the rule, students? Yes, can I see some thumbs up?
Yes, miss.
Who have kept their cameras on? Very good, very good. I could see Pari, Ananya, Gaurav, Misbah has both her hands thumbs up. Very good, very good. Okay, amazing, amazing. So anyone could explain me the last example? Last example, Antara. Antara. The last example. 1, 2, 3, 3. Antara has went off. Ranveer.
I want to ask you a question.
Yes, Prisha, tell me.
Miss, in the second one, 7 plus 7 is 14. And
Correct.
plus 5 is 19. So how it came in?
Okay. Is it 7 plus 7, 14? Okay, I made a mistake there. 775 is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by
74.
5. Okay, 74. So it is divisible by 5. I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. But thank you very much to bringing in my notice, Prisha. I would make the correction afterwards. Yes, anyone could explain me the last example? I could see Pari raising her hand. Pari, go ahead. Explain me the last example.
Yes, miss. We had 5 means we have to add the numbers. When we add the numbers, we have to look that it is multiple of 3.
Correct.
Then only it is divisible by 3.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. So now I got the addition as 9. And that's the reason I can say that 1, 2, 3, 3 is divisible by 3. Now going to the rule. Okay. But before that, I want someone to tell me the table of 3. Table of 3.
Miss Khushal.
Miss
Question.
Yes, yes,
Miss
yes.
Vishnu.
Don't
Miss
create a
Khushal, can
chaos.
I?
I want Ansh to answer because Ansh has gotten up and came on the camera.
Miss Vishnu.
Is it?
Yes,
Yes.
miss. Yes.
Yes, Ansh. Tell me the table of 3 and then we'll move to the next student, which is Vishnu, right? Yes, Ansh. Tell me.
Yes, miss. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 84, 3 nines are
3 eights
27,
are 3 eights are
3 eights are 24,
3
3
eights are
nines are
24.
27.
Hmm.
Yes, miss. 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30.
Very good. Very good. And this is how the table is. And Vaish, who was the next student who was telling that I'll read?
Miss Kushal.
Miss
Kushal.
Vishnu, Vishnu.
Kushal.
Miss,
Kushal.
can I have
Let
what
Vishnu.
say?
Ha,
Miss
Vishnu.
Kushal, I was telling.
Ha, then afterwards we'll take up Kushal. Kushal is more excited towards this lecture. Yes, yes, Kushal. I'll take you to the next turn. Okay. Yes, Vishnu, please read this for me.
Yes, miss. Add the digits in the dividend. If the sum is divisible by 3, the dividend can be divided by 3.
Okay. So what is dividend here? What is this word dividend? Rehan, what is this word dividend in this? I took this new word dividend. What is this dividend?
Miss, can I
Om?
know?
Om? Yes.
Miss, the number that we divide is called dividend.
Very good. So can you give some example from this slide? What is the dividend?
Miss, 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6.
Okay, but then from this slide. So what is the dividend? 3 is the dividend or 6 is the dividend?
3.
3 is the dividend. Is it, Vishnu? Is 3
Yes,
is the
miss.
dividend
Miss, can
or
I
6
say?
is the dividend? Yes, Aisha?
Yes, Miss, but Miss, the dividend is 5 plus 6 plus 1 and the divisor is 3.
Exactly. The number which we are going to divide 561, 774, 1000 and 1233. These numbers are dividend, and the number which is present out, the three numbers are the 333 are divisors. Very good, students. Now, moving ahead to the next number, which is the next
Miss,
number,
5.
Arya?
5.
5. Very good. The next number is 5. Now you tell me what you think. How will you come to know that the number is divisible by 5? Any rule, anything which you follow
Miss
from your
Prisha,
lower
can
levels? Yes, Prisha?
Miss, the number in the ending of the number, if there is 0, 5 and 0 and 5, the number can be divided. The number can be divided by 5.
Exactly, it was very simple. So if the number has an ending number which has either 5 or 0, we will say that the number is divisible by 5. It was very simple. For 5, it is very simple. Very good. Yes, I want Vignesh. Vignesh with that nebula background. Vignesh, you are there with me? Yes. Can you read this rule for us? Very good. Anyone else wants to try, because Vignesh voice was very low for me.
Miss Kushal.
Yes, Kushal. Kushal. Yes, we missed out
Yes,
Kushal.
miss.
Yes, Kushal, go ahead.
Yes, miss. If the number ends on a 0 or 5, it can be divided by 5.
Very good. Very good. Amazing, Kushal. Yes, I hope everyone has understood the divisibility rule
Yes, Miss.
for
2,
Yes, miss.
3 and 5.
very
3,
good.
5.
Now I want you all to flood the chat box with one number that is divisible by all three. 2, 3 as well as with 5. Is there any number which is divided by 2, 3 and 5? All the three numbers. I want you all to put down more examples in the chat box. A number, I'll repeat the question, Ansh, I'll repeat the question. The number which is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Huh? Divisible. I'm not asking you about zeros and ones. Number which is divisible by 5. I'll go first. The number which is divisible by 5, 2 and 3, everything is number 30. For me, it is number 30. 30 is divisible by 2 because it ends at 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. So the number is divisible by 3. And 30 is also divisible by 5 because it ends at 0. Okay, very good. I could see some examples are coming up. Yes, 990, 120, 90, 120. Kushal, 10 is not divisible by 3. 660, 60. Vignesh and Ranveer have answered the same thing in the same fraction of seconds. So you all are thinking alike. Shreya, Kushal, Shreya, Yashita. Where are the others? I could see the common people here on the chat box. Ansh, you don't wish to answer any number which is divisible by all three?
No, miss, I'm writing only.
Okay. Is it taking that time? Om? Om is there with me?
Yes, miss.
Very good. Yes, Om. By that time, I'll play the songs. You all can come up with more such numbers in the chat box. Okay? Yes.
It's a division time. I use my math mind. Got numbers down to size. It's division time. It's division time. I do it all the time. Got numbers down to size. It's division time. Division power, it's on my side. Cutting out numbers, day and night. Got lots to do, so I better save time. Divisibility rules, my things go fine. It's division time. I use my math mind. Cutting numbers down to size. It's division time.
Students, if you wish to recite after this, even you all can unmute
And
yourself and
if
then
number is staring at you, play it cool, just divide by 2. It's division time. I use my math mind. Got numbers down to size. It's division time. If the digit sum can be split by 3, stay on me. Just divide by 3. It's division time. I use
Ananya, unmute yourself.
got numbers down to size. It's division time. If the number stands on 0 or 5, take your time and you divide by 5. It's division time. I use my math mind. Got numbers down to size. It's division time.
Yes. Did you like the poem, students?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
I have even provided the link so that you can hear it even afterwards if you have liked the entire rhyme thing. Okay. Now
Yes.
we have the very last thing and then we done with the lecture. Yes, Ananya. I thought you were reciting at the back, so I was telling you to. Oh, I'm sorry. I was telling you to also recite with ma'am. Okay. Even she is a history teacher, so I thought even you all will encourage, but not a problem. The link has been provided. You all can watch it n number of times even after the session. Okay. Now, if you have understood all the three rules, can I see some thumbs up here in the classroom? Misbah, Shreya, Yashita, Ananya, Kavach, Rashi, Vishnu, Ansh. Very good. Where are the others? Chaitanya, Yuvika, Prisha. Prisha, what happened? Yes,
Miss,
yes.
not Yuvika. My name is Yuvakshi.
Yuvakshi. Okay, I'm sorry,
And
Yuvakshi.
I
Miss
have
Nimi.
already,
Yes, yes, Yuvakshi. You have already.
Miss, I was telling that I was also showing the thumbs up.
Okay, very good, very good. You have
Miss
understood, that
Tanushree.
is more important. Yes, yes. Kushal has put down both his hands up, like very good. Amazing, amazing. Now there's one more thing which you have to do, but before we say tada bye bye, you have to watch this video and follow that particular thing. Okay? Just pay attention. Hello students, in this video I'm going to show you a small tutorial of how you can attempt your live worksheet. Just click on the link which I have provided in the chat box, which is bit.ly GSB intern test 5. As you run this, you will be moved to a live worksheet. The worksheet says that if the numbers present on the left 14, 37, 24, so on are divisible by 2, 3 or 5, you have to write yes or no. As I click, and if I think that 14 is divisible by 2, I'll write yes. If 2 3 is not divisible by 14, I'll write no. If 5 is also not divisible by 14, I'll write no. This is how you have to fill up this entire worksheet consisting of 36 blank, and then click on finish. As you click on finish, it will ask you for your full name. My full name is Aishwarya Bharat Savan. You have to enter your full name and then click on send. As you click on send, these answers will be submitted to me and you will also get your scores here. Thank you very much.
Miss, where is the
Miss,
worksheet
this is
link?
the worksheet link.
Miss, you are
Miss, you are
muted.
mute.
Bitly. I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Students, a link is provided in the chat box. Kushal has even asked me this. Yes, Kushal, it is the link for the
Miss,
worksheet.
can we
Click
start?
on that. Don't chat. Click on the link and start with the test. So I'll get the scores. Don't worry.
We have to tick or write the number.
You have to write yes or no. The instructions are also given in the worksheet.
Okay, miss.
And if there's any doubt, any confusion, ask.
Miss, we have to take in first one or write the table when it
You
comes.
have to write. You have to write, Ranveer. You have to write yes or no. If you think it is divisible, write yes. If you think it is not divisible, write no.
Okay, miss.
Very good, Ranveer. Amazing. Others, I hope they are solving. So that's the reason the camera has went off.
Yes, miss.
Miss, the mobile users.
Okay, no problem, no problem. I'll get to know
Miss,
from yours.
and if it is not divisible, so what we have to write?
You have to write no, Kushal. No.
Only no.
Yes, no. If it is divisible, write yes. If it is not, write no.
14 आ जाएगा.
Rashi, don't ask your parents. Whatever you feel, whatever you have studied, put down that answer.
Miss, Miss,
Yes,
where to
Ansh,
write?
tell me.
Miss, where to
Yes.
write the name?
Yes, yes, you have to write your full name, Ansh.
Miss, where to write? When we will do finish, then it will come.
Ah, yes, exactly. When you click on finish, Ansh, it will ask you for your full name, enter your full name, and then it will be automatically submitted. Yes, Vignesh, very good. Vignesh, can you just put down your scores here in the chat box? Everyone, as you are done, put down your scores so I'll understand that you are done with your work. Yes, I could see 35, 35. Very good. No problem, Vignesh. Where you went wrong with which number? Ananya, Vignesh?
Last one, 3.
Last one. Okay. Happens. Self-realization is important. Okay. Yes, Vishnu has got
Miss,
36 out
actually,
of
I have 36 out of 36. But when last one, there was 3 na. So by mistakenly, I write some other answer.
Okay, no
So I
problem, no
didn't
problem.
watch
I got
it.
full right.
Very good, very good. I hope everyone will attempt it because it's a part of my exam as well. So I'll submit these worksheets so I'll get to know that everyone in 6th has understood what I have taught to them. Okay. So there are still 3 minutes, students. You all can attempt this. I have even provided you with a YouTube link so you can listen to my friend anytime to make you remember about the divisibility test. Are we okay? Yes, Vignesh. I could see, can I see everyone on the screen, students, as you are done with the test? Ansh is there, Ansh, Vishnu, Vignesh, Ananya, Chaitanya, Prisha, Shreya. Yes, now Ranveer, we have Ranveer as well on my screen.
Miss, I got 35. The last
Very
one
good,
I got
Ranveer. Oh, last one was 42, right? Which is, how it is 42 is divisible by which numbers?
2 and 3.
2 and 3, exactly.
It's the last one I got
Yes, you have to
confused.
write just the
The
name
3
and
one.
surname or the middle.
Your entire name.
Middle
Your
name.
entire name consists of what, Yuvakshi?
No,
I have
I was
written my
telling her.
full. Yes, Yuvakshi.
I was telling Prisha that we want to write the father's name on
Okay, okay. You are
the
helping
middle.
Prisha. Yes, yes. Prisha. Yes, Yuvakshi. Tell her. Tell her.
Yes, Prisha, we want to write a middle name means father name also in our name. Full name.
Exactly. 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 Correct, Yuvakshi. Prisha, I hope you have understood what Yuvakshi said.
Yes, yes.
Ansh is smiling. Okay, fine. So we'll stop here for today, students. How many of you all have given the test? Can I see some raised hand in the classroom? I could only get 9 submissions. Yes. Very good. Prisha. Okay, bacha, where you did you lose that 3 marks? Did you realize?
Yes, in the second one and sixth and seventh one.
6th and the 7th one. Okay, okay, no problem. Do you know now what are the
Second,
correct
sixth,
answers?
and seventh.
Okay. Now you know what are the correct answers, which number it is divisible by.
Yes, yes.
Very good, Prisha. So we'll stop here for today then, students. As I meet you the next time, we'll go with the other rules as well. Okay. Thank you very much, student. It was great interacting with you all.
Bye,
Thank you very much.
Nice, thank you.
Bye, miss.
Bye-bye. Take care, everyone.
Miss, I got all marks.
Enjoy the session.
Very good, very good. Amazing.
Hi, Miss. I enjoyed it.
Yeah,
Miss,
thank
I
you
did
very
not
much,
understood
Nirvi.
what to do.
Pari,
Pari,
Pari, no worries, no
we have
worries. Pari,
to.
what we have is, we have Shreya with you. Shreya, please guide Pari for the worksheet, okay?
Yes, miss. Pari,
Thank you very
you
much.
can see the worksheet. The question is written, the number of, there are some numbers given, like 14, 37, 21. You have to write yes or no in the